So hi guys, for today's video I'm trying to cook this my banana turon, yes, because I'm craving to eat this turon banana, yes, this um one of best popular sweet treat in the Philippines, yes, yes, it's called banana lumpia, yes. And it is made of sliced saba bananas, rolled in a brown sugar, wrapped in a lumpia or spring roll skin, and then deep fried and then coated with hard caramel. Yes, so yan. I'd already done wrapping the banana. Yeah, saba banana. Yes. Yes, and that is I fried it, deep fried. So, and that is my banana turon. Ayan. Yes. Good partner with coffee or Coca-Cola. Coke Zero. Yeah. So here we are, ready to lapang.